Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So, I'm just going to do a little organization video today, and it's arranging like things in the drawer. So, I have my dressing table. Let me give you a view of that. So here I have my bureau or dressing table, and we have these drawers, and there is my husband's section and there is my section, and it's just a hot mess in terms of what's going on in the drawer right now. So I want to organize the drawer and get it to be somewhat like this side. So if you want to see a fun little video organizing my messy drawer, then watch this video. Okay guys, I promise it won't be long, it won't be boring. Alright, so keep on watching. Okay, so right now I'm just going to remove everything from the drawer. So there's a whole mess of stuff. And then we're going to try and organize them in there. So empty the drawer. Then trying to sort socks is pretty much pairing similar socks together so that you can find them in the drawer, people. It saves on time when you're getting dressed in the morning. You don't have time to go and find anything. So just pair them and then put them together, quick and easy. 1, 2, put together. Okay, so there's all our pairs together nicely, and those all together. So, okay, so this is the final result of organizing the drawer. So I have socks there, some more socks. There's a lot of socks in here. A few boxers right there, like stacked neatly on each other. More socks. But at least it's organized. You can find a pair, and you can grab and go and not waste time wearing different pair of socks. Okay. This is another messy drawer, and we're gonna do the same thing to this one and then show you the final result. So this is everything that I removed from that drawer. So I'm just gonna organize everything and show you the final result. Okay, this is the way you fold the briefs, people. 1, 2, you can get your husbands to do this, girls. Hey, good luck. Yeah. Good luck. There. Let's see. We have more than us. Go boxes. All right. Alright, that's the finished look. Got socks on that side. You can find them, they're paired. We've got some boxers. Oh my God, boxers. This side, organized, color coded. Sure. Let's jump back to my side of the dresser. So I had to switch the drawers around so that they fit. So I'm just going to put my stuff back into my drawer, and I'll just kind of give you a quick glance of how I organize my side of the dresser. For those, I'm gonna put them color coded together. I'll just show you the finished look of all this. I guess nobody wants to see me folding my underwear at this moment, so I'll show you what. I'll just give you a quick demonstration, guys. So open it up, fold the ends in, fold the bottom in, voila, and then I keep it in. So this is what it looks like when I fold them and put them in like that. You can color code them, you can put them according to ones that are sexy, you can put them according to the granny panties, you can put them according to ones that you don't wear that often, you put them to the back. So that's it, guys. How I organize my drawer. Okay, so this is just a fun video. You can be inspired, organize your stuff similarly. Okay guys, thanks for watching this silly little video.